Hi dear students, I am going to give solution of 8 questions of 3 marks. These are very important questions. Please try to study this. If mod vector A equal to 10, mod vector B equal to 2 and vector A dot B equal to 12, then find the value of mod vector A cross B. Cross B, we know that A cross B is mod vector A mod vector B sine theta n cap. So it is connected to sine theta. So to get this value, we want to find out value of sine theta. But the question is given A dot B. A dot B, mod A and mod B. From A dot B, what can we find out? Cos theta. So first we find out cos theta, then find the sine theta. So mod vector A equal to 10, mod vector B equal to 2, A dot B equal to 12, these are given. Then cos theta equal to A dot B divided by mod A mod B. That's equal to 12 divided by 10 into 2. Apply the values. Then simplify it. We get 6 by 10. That's equal to 3 by 5. Therefore, sin theta equal to root of 1 minus cos square theta. We know that sin theta equal to root of 1 minus cos square theta. That's equal to root of 1 minus 3 by 5 whole square. That's equal to root of 1 minus 9 by 25. That is root of 25 minus 9 by root 25. Root 16 by 5. That's equal to 4 by 5. Then sin theta equal to mod A cross B divided by mod A mod B. Here you apply the values of sin theta and mod A mod B. Then we get mod of A cross B. So 4 by 5 equal to mod of A cross B divided by 10 into 2. Cross it. 4 into 10 into 2 divided by 5 equal to mod A cross B. Simplify it. 5 in 10 2 times. Then 4 into 2 into 2 16 equal to mod A cross B. Therefore mod A cross B equal to 16. Next question is mod vector A cross vector B equal to 1, mod vector A equal to 2, mod vector B equal to 1. Find the angle between vector A and vector B. We have two results, that is vector A dot B equal to mod A mod B cos theta and vector A cross B equal to mod vector A mod vector B sin theta n cap. So here it is given that mod vector A cross B. So sin theta equal to mod vector A cross B divided by mod A mod B. We use that relation or that formula. Then that's equal to 1 by 2 into 1. That is sin theta equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, value of theta is pi by 6 or 30 degree. Therefore, angle between vector A and vector B is equal to pi by 6 or 30 degree. So what is given, A dot B or A cross B, or what we want to find out, A dot B or A cross B. According to that, you take the sine or cos theta. Okay, then next question is find the values of lambda for which the angle between the vectors vector A equal to 2 lambda square I cap plus 4 lambda j cap plus k cap and vector B equal to 7 I cap minus 2 j cap plus lambda k cap is obtuse. Obtuse means greater than 90. Acute less than 90, obtuse greater than 90. So here angle between these two given vectors, vector A and vector B, is obtuse. Therefore cos theta is obtuse. Cos theta is vector A dot B divided by mod A mod B. Since theta is obtuse, then cos theta will be less than 0. If cos theta is less than 0, then theta is obtuse. That is, if the value of theta is greater than 90, then value of cos theta is negative or less than 0. Cos theta less than 0, that implies vector A dot vector B divided by mod A mod B less than 0. That is, vector A dot B less than 0, cross it. So vector A dot vector B less than 0 into mod A mod B, that is 0. So vector A dot B less than 0. And how will you find out vector A dot B? Sum of the product of coefficients of I, J, K. So here 2 lambda square I cap plus 4 lambda j cap plus k cap dot 7 I cap minus 2 j cap plus lambda k cap, which is less than 0. Then multiply the coefficients of I, 2 lambda square into 7 plus 4 lambda into negative 2 plus 1 into lambda is less than 0. That implies 14 lambda square minus 8 lambda plus lambda less than 0. That is 14 lambda square minus 7 lambda less than 0. From here, you take 7 lambda outside. 7 lambda into 2 lambda minus 1 less than 0. In the right side, calculation, lambda greater than 0. In this question, lambda will be greater than 0. That is 0 less than lambda. And 2 lambda minus 1 is less than 0. If it's 0, lambda is greater than 0, then 2 lambda minus 1 is less than 0. Then 2 lambda less than 0 plus 1, 1. Then lambda less than 1 by 2. That is lambda is greater than 0 and less than 1 by 2. What it means? Lambda belongs to open interval 0, 1 by 2. That is the value. Value of lambda is any value between 0 and 1 by 2. The next question. Let A and B be two events of the same sample spaces. Prove that 0 less than or equal to P of A given B less than or equal to 1. B is not equal to 5. 5 means null set. P of A given B equal to P of A intersection B divided by P of B. That is equation number 1. A intersection B is subset of B. Its intersection of two sets is subset of A or B. Okay, then A intersection B is subset of B. Then therefore P of A intersection B is less than or equal to P of B. Probability will be less than or equal to probability of B. That implies you transpose this P of B to left, P of A intersection B divided by P of B less than or equal to 1. That is equation number 2. Then again P of A intersection B greater than or equal to 0 and B not equal to 5. That is P of B is greater than 0. Then P of A intersection B divided by P of B is greater than or equal to 0. From 2 and 3, we get P of A intersection B by P of B less than or equal to 1 and P of A intersection B by P of B greater than 0. That means 0 less than or equal to P of A intersection B by P of B and it is less than or equal to 1. From 2 and 3, we add these two results. Add means we write it in the order. Here in this third equation, it is 0 less than or equal to P of A intersection B by P of B. And it is also less than or equal to 1. Then instead of P of A intersection B by P of B, you put P of A given B from equation number 1. So 0 less than or equal to P of A given B less than or equal to 1. Hence 0 less than or equal to P of A given B less than or equal to 1. It is proved. The next question. Evaluate 0 to pi by 2. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sine square x dx. I equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 sine square x dx. Here we can do this in two ways. First one, as usual, integration and apply the upper limit and lower limit. For that, you should write 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Then you can integrate it. Otherwise, we can apply the property. Here we apply the property. Integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So, first one, given I equal to the question, equation number 1. In second, we apply this property, integral 0 to pi by 2 sine square pi by 2 minus x dx. That is I equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx. That is sine pi by 2 minus x equal to cos x. So cos square x dx, equation number 2. Then 1 plus 2 gives 2i equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 sine square x dx plus integral 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx. That is 2y equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 sine square x plus cos square x dx. That is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 1. Since sine square x plus cos square x equal to 1, we can write it as 1 dx. That is integral of 1 is x. So x within the limit 0 to pi by 2, that is pi by 2 minus 0 equal to pi by 2. 2y equal to pi by 2, therefore I equal to pi by 2 into 2, that is equal to pi by 4. Then next question, evaluate integral 0 to pi by 2 sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Here substitution, put cos x equal to t, the denominator, from the denominator cos x equal to t, then differentiate with respect to x. I wrote this in the right side, negative sin x dx equal to dt, sin x dx equal to negative dt. Then we want to change the limits. If x equal to 0, t equal to cos 0 or cos 0, that's equal to 1. If x equal to pi by 2, t equal to cos pi by 2, which is equal to 0. Therefore, on left side, I equal to integral 1 to 0 negative dt by 1 plus t square. We take negative outside, then 1 to 0 dt by 1 plus t square. That's equal to minus of integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx is tan inverse x. So, tan inverse t within the limit 1 to 0. That is minus of tan inverse 0 minus tan inverse 1. Therefore, I equal to minus of 0 minus pi by 4. That is I equal to minus of minus pi by 4, which is equal to pi by 4. Therefore, answer is pi by 4. Next question from 3D. If the point A negative 1 3 2, B negative 4 2 negative 2 and C 5 5 lambda are collinear, find lambda. If 3 points are collinear, or more than 3 points or more than 2 points are collinear, the points lie on the same line. So, first we want to find out the equation of line AB which passes through A and B. We know the result, equation of line AB, that is Cartesian equation. There are two types of equations, vector equation and Cartesian equation. Here we are going to write the Cartesian equation of the line passing through two given points, x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2. What is that? X minus x1 by x2 minus x1 equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. That is, we can apply the values x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2 here. X minus negative 1 divided by, I wrote that in A, B, x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2. X minus negative 1 divided by negative 4 minus minus 1 equal to y minus 3 divided by 2 minus 3 equal to z minus 2 divided by negative 2 minus 2. That implies x plus 1 divided by negative 4 plus 1 equal to y minus 3 divided by negative 1 equal to z minus 2 by negative 4. That implies x plus 1 by negative 3 equal to y minus 3 by negative 1 equal to z minus 2 by negative 4. That is, from the denominator in all there is negative sign, so we can change it. X plus 1 by 3 equal to y minus 3 by 1 equal to z minus 2 by 4. Since A, B, C are collinear, then that third point C must satisfy this equation 1. That means it lies on that line. So we can substitute the values of x, y, z from that point in this one, we get lambda. So in 1, put x equal to 5, y equal to 5 and z equal to lambda from C 5 5 lambda. Okay, that is 1 becomes 3 plus 5 plus 1 divided by 3 equal to 5 minus 3 by 1 equal to lambda minus 2 by 4. That is 6 by 3 equal to 2 by 1 equal to lambda minus 2 by 4. In this 2 we get 2. So 2 equal to lambda minus 2 by 4. Then 4 into 2, 8 equal to lambda minus 2. That is 8 plus 2 equal to lambda. That is 10 equal to lambda. That is lambda equal to 10. This is a very important question. Next question is, find the magnitude of vector A given by vector A equal to I cap plus 3j cap minus 2k cap cross negative I cap plus 3k cap. Here this vector A is as the form of cross product of two vectors. So first we want to find out that product, cross product. We know that vector product is vector and dot product of two vectors is a scalar. So here vector A equal to I cap plus 3j cap minus 2k cap cross negative I cap plus 3k cap. We know that vector A cross vector B is determinant I cap j cap k cap, and the second row is coefficient of first vector, and third row is coefficient of ij I cap j cap k cap of second vector. So here also vector A equal to determinant I cap j cap k cap, and the coefficients of first vector, that is 1, 3, negative 2, and next row is coefficient of the second, in that j is no j cap, so negative 1, 0, 3. Then we want to find out the value of this determinant. By expanding along first row, we get I cap into delete the first row and first column in which I cap lies. Then the remaining determinant value 3, negative 2, 0, 3. Multiply 3 into 3, cross it. 9 minus 0 minus j cap into delete, again delete the row and column in which j cap lies. So second row, first row and second column. So 1, negative 2, negative 1, 3. Multiply it, cross it. 1 into 3, 3 minus negative 1 into negative 2, 2. Then plus k cap into delete the first row and third column in which k cap lies. Then we get 1, 3, negative 1, 0 as the determinant. That is 1 into 0, 0 minus negative 1 into 3, negative 3. That's equal to I cap into 9 minus j cap into 1 plus k cap into 3. This is not dot, into. That is a vector A equal to 9 I cap minus j cap plus 3k cap. Then we want to find out the modulus of this vector. Mod vector A equal to root of sum of the squares of coefficients of I cap, j cap, k cap. That is as formula, vector A equal to a I cap plus b j cap plus c k cap. Mod vector A equal to root of a square plus b square plus c square. So here root of 9 square plus negative 1 square plus 3 square. That's equal to root of 81 plus 1 plus 9. That is equal to root of 91. I hope that you understood these answers. If you like the video, click the like button and share this to all your friends. And if you are watching this for first time, please subscribe it. And thank you.